We almost make the short seller cover for today and have our explosion, but we didn't have this yet. Why is that? We're gonna discuss in today's video where the price will squeeze, where's the support for today or this week, and where we're gonna squeeze at if we have a breakout from our current resistance. So let's dive deeper and discuss AMC. Before we do that, hit the like button if you didn't already do that, and of course subscribe if you don't want to miss our update for AMC live streaming each day for AMC around 3 p.m. CET. So let's dive deeper and discuss AMC. Look with me closely. First, we discussed before this level of bottom. We said this is the bottom of AMC, and we started to have accumulation since 1 month, and then we have our pump here around the $8.80 last Friday, and we did almost 11%. Now we have another pump once the market opened, a new high around the $9.62. Then we didn't have a continuation and the price went down. The good thing is we have a new support over the $8.80 and the $8.17. So we have to forget about the $7.34. This was the bottom, of course, but we don't want to have a revisit for this bottom. We need to hold this current support instead to confirm that the market maker started to actually buying the dip for AMC, and we're gonna have this squeeze. Guys, the squeeze will take time. You can actually fill a pool in 1 minute or 1 second. No, you take time, okay? Even if there's a huge flood of water going in a pool, you have to wait a bit of time to fill the pool. But if the pool is not closed and we have a hole down, the pool will never actually be full. The same for AMC. Whatever buying pressure happening, still there is leakage. The buying pressure going away because there's a huge selling pressure. So we have some cautions from traders because we have a huge drop. Still, we don't have confidence from traders to buy the dip because a lot of traders are waiting to confirm we're gonna have a squeeze. The confirmation for the squeeze, we're gonna discuss it in a few. If you want to load up an AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo because you can actually win 15 free stocks. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get 1 free stock. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. It's not there yet. That's why we don't have a huge reaction for AMC yet. And you see here, we have a huge dump down for AMC after the split that we did 1 to 10. And guess what? Now we almost around the $10. And guess what? This is the $1 mark before the split for AMC. So this is psychological level. If we go over the $10, it means we are over the $1 for AMC. Over the $1. So this is really psychological level because if we overcome the $10 or we held over the $10, we give the first signal for squeeze and we make the short seller to cover, and this is will make the price squeeze up. But the most important level right now is not the $10, guys. It's not the $10. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. Now we have this accumulation and we have huge buying pressure. This is not market maker buying yet because we didn't actually continue to go higher. But this is the apes actually buying because on Friday we have a huge pump and the price actually rests around our resistance, the $9.30 that we discussed on last Friday. And then the price didn't break in after hours. A lot of traders actually triggered the buying limit order, I think, for AMC before the market closed, and they thought that AMC was squeezing after hours, but it didn't happen. That's why we have this reaction when the market opened. We have this buying pressure and the price didn't break, and that's why the price is still holding over the support. So this is a good signal that the market maker start to buy, and we have a confirmed support over the $8.80 and the $8.17. As long as we hold here, guys, as long as we hold over this box, we're gonna have another pump for today around the $10.73. If it's not today, the next few days in this week around the $10.73. It's not the $10, but the $10.73. This is where we're gonna have a trigger for AMC to have the short seller cover. So the $10.73, we're missing how much toward this squeeze area? Let me just check how much. 15%. Exactly. After we break the $10.73, we have the $13.74. Let me just check how much we can do for this jump. 27%. Yeah, we might have this huge gap in pre-market or after hours. Usually AMC, if it had a squeeze, always happen in after hours or in pre-market, because it happened before, as we discussed before even the split. We have this huge pump for AMC, and we're already hunted for this one actually with our hunters in Friday power hour before the market close, and our picture and Discord to discuss those kind of pump up for many stocks. And we discussed AMC before this pump, and we said there's a huge pump will happen. Of course, we have 90% jump, then we have this huge selling pressure after the split. Now we might have the same reaction, but instead around the $10.73, and this will be the trigger for another squeeze. So this is the first profit taken, of course, around the $13.74, and this is not it, because we have other profit taken for AMC, and we might actually have the $100 mark for AMC if we continue to hold the $10.73 and doing higher highs for AMC in coming days or before even the end of this year.